Moms, we know this. Babies go anytime, anywhere. Nope, not just at home where everything is properly sanitized and within arm's reach, but also outside the house when things are less convenient. Luckily, Wabble Babble created an innovative portable changing pad that is contamination-free and the perfect solution to your baby's potty problems. This changing pad works as a clutch, designed with comfort, convenience, and sanitation in mind. When placing your baby down for a changing, everything you need is easily accessible. It has a plastic pouch that can hold diapers and nappy cream, and an interior pocket with a white pouch that can hold wipes and other essentials, keeping your baby's items germ-free. The thick, soft padding on the mat is for your baby's maximum comfort while changing them. What my favorite feature of the Wabble Babble changing pad is that it's contamination-free. As a mom, that has to be my #1 concern, especially when changing my baby outside of the house. The secret is the unique folding technique and design where the outside of the mat that comes in contact with germs does not touch and contaminate the inside of the mat where your baby is placed, as well as the added Velcro that holds everything aligned and secured, keeping it 100% contamination-free. The front pocket is perfect for your items, so you can easily bring your keys, makeup, and phone for whenever you are on the go with your baby. It has a strong carry handle and an expandable side strap buckle that you can easily attach to your baby's stroller. There is an easily detachable zipper, so you can use the mat or the purse separately. The waterproof material makes it easy to clean with just a wipe or quick rinse. Wabble Babble has thought of everything with their contamination-free portable changing pad, never having to worry about germs or forgetting your baby's necessities ever again. Toss it in your bag or just grab and go. Order this mom saver today.